it's Arielle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, just a simple, glowy, everyday makeup look. And I put a poll on my Instagram a couple weeks ago asking if you guys wanted to get ready with me or what I eat in a day, and you guys voted to get ready with me. So I'm going to be doing that today, and don't worry to everyone who voted for what I eat in a day, that'll be coming up very soon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for every time I upload, and you will get notified. So let's get started. The first thing I do is just use some Rosewater spray. This is the Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rosewater, and this is like the best rosewater ever. I'm obsessed with this. I've been using this for like 2 years now, and it's just amazing. It makes my face super glowy, and I love it. So I'm just gonna be using this. Oh my god, it's amazing. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is just using this Nars concealer, and it's just a sample concealer I got from Sephora, and it's in the shade Custard, if you guys are wondering. And I like to use my hand because it just soaks into your skin so naturally, and I love that. I don't like to go so heavy on makeup. And I'm just going to be putting it under my eyes too. Next, I'm just going to be using a little spoolie and just brushing out my brows. I love having that messy look for your brows. Cool. And next, I'm just gonna be just putting a little bit of gel on them. It's just this natural lash gel. I think it's like an eyelash gel. It's from the drugstore. It's super easy, and I just like to put a little bit on just so they stay in place all day. Next, I'm just going to be taking this Beautycounter just cream bronzer in the shade Bronze Glow, and I just love how simple this is. It has like little sparkles on it, and I just love how it just gives your face such a nice bronze, and it's not like too much. So I'm just going to be using my fingers because I just love how creamy it is and just soaks into your skin so well. And it's not like overpowering. Okay, so next I'm just going to be taking this High Beam from Benefit, and it's just like a little baby highlighter, and I like this as just to prep my face for the like powder highlighter, just to give it a little boost of brightening. And I literally just like love this stuff. It gives your face the most natural glow ever. the cream highlighter, I'm just going to be using this like powder highlighter. It's from MAC and it's in the shade Soft and Gentle, and it's like the best highlighter I've ever used. I've been using this for years now and it's just amazing. I love it. So I'm just going to be putting that everywhere I put the cream highlighter. And I'm also just going to be putting it on the brow bone. And I'm just going to be using the Morphe 350 palette, and it's just a beautiful palette. It's with all the neutrals and pretty shimmery colors, so I love this one. And I'm just going to be using this first shade here. It's just a nice base color for any eyeshadow you put over. So next, for a nice transition color, I'm going to be taking this color, and this color, it's kind of like an orangey brown color, and it's very pretty on the eyes. The next color I'm going to be taking is this orange brown color, like a dark orange color. So I'm just going to be taking where I put those other two colors. And then next I'm just going to be taking this like pearlish pink little shimmer, and I'm just going to put it all over the lid. And after the eyeshadow, I'm just going to be taking those same two brown colors and that orange color and just putting it on the bottom. And then after I'm done with the eyeshadow, I just like to go and use this little spoolie again and brush out my eyelashes just to get them all spread out. And then I'm just going to be taking this Telescopic L'Oreal little mascara. And after everything, I'm just going to be taking this Beautycounter. It's in the shade Backstage. And then after everything, I'm just going to be taking this Badescu facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. So this is the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.